What's up and welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here with a C, doing something completely off the wall. We're doing a vacuum. So this is the brand new Shark Detect Pro robot vacuum. Now we're hoping this thing is amazing because it's super expensive. We're literally gonna show you how to set it up, how to pair it, how to get it to run its course in the house here. It's gonna detect everything, and then we're gonna run it through some tests. So it consists of two parts. The vacuum, as you can see here, with some wicked wheels. I don't know if you can get rims for these or not. And the base that's self-emptying. So let's learn how to do this together. So it says, let's connect your robot and connect it to the app. Pair my robot. It says, for the next 5 steps, please stay within 5 feet of your robot. It says, plug it into the dock, place the dock in a spot with strong Wi-Fi, and connect where the robot can navigate freely. Then plug it into a power source. Okay?
Done.
Turn on discovery mode. Firmly press and hold the dock and clean buttons, or dock and max if your robot has a max button. If done correctly, the indicators blink and your robot says, I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi.
I am ready to connect to Wi-Fi.
Enable Bluetooth. Finding your robot. Done, I have found your robot. Continue. Select Wi-Fi. They take a while, bear with me.
We're flashing different colors here.
Success, I am connected. Building a map unlocks my special features.
Ooh.
No-go zones, spot cleaning, matrix clean.
Starting the Explorer run. Oh.
Hey buddy, how's the cereal?
I'm full.
Okay. Whoa, buddy, you gotta clean that up.
You can see on the recording on the screen a spot clean for the Cheerio mess. Says it'll take around 10 minutes.
So you'll see we did a funny, exaggerated spoof, I guess, on kids eating cereal. If you have kids, you probably understand the joke because they like to make a mess. Obviously, we exaggerated. What Jamie did was, on the map on his phone, you can target a specific area. I believe they call it matrix clean, and you target that specific area. So as you saw through the B-roll that our amazing editor Dan is gonna do up, you'll see that it sort of stayed in this, I'll say 4-foot radius. Would you say that's fair, Jamie? 4 to 6 foot radius, and picked up an amazing amount of Cheerios. And what I'm gonna show you now is, this is the actual reservoir from the home base. It should just pretty much have Cheerios in it, but I want to show you really how much it picked up on a single run. Okay, so I can see already, geez, that's amazing. There's 2 filters inside. Can you see that, Jamie, or get that on camera? HEPA filters, which have some dust, so obviously there's gonna be a little bit of maintenance and cleaning that's done there. That is a lot of Cheerios that it picked up in one single run. I would certainly hope kids are not stepping away from the table and dumping that much on your floors, but we did that again just to sort of put a little spoof on a funny moment with kids sometimes. So the robot itself actually has some sort of technology where it senses when the machine itself is full. It will return to home base, dump into the bigger reservoir, and head back out to work. It does boast that it has never stuck technology. We did have some extension cords here and there as well because of our Average Kitchen setup where we're shooting YouTube. And it did get hung up a little bit on our lights and the cables associated to our lights. and it did get hung up a little bit on the tree skirt. Now Jamie went over and helped it along. Could it have worked through that problem? Possibly, I'm not sure, but it does boast never stuck technology. Kind of a couple different options on how you want to use your robot. It can work off a schedule where you set specific days of the week or every day of the week at a certain time, it'll go to work. You could target specific areas, which is what we did with the Cheerio experiment, or on demand. You pick up your phone through the app, you hit go to work, or however they label it, go to work. The shark comes off the docking station and starts vacuuming. They boast that it's supposed to be very, very good for pet hair as well. So you'll see during the setup or the initial run of the robot, it's detecting the whole area. Now, Jamie and I at my house here, we blocked off the hallway and the front entrance just to sort of minimize how much the robot had to go around everywhere. You'll see that it did come to the top of the stairs. Jamie was on the stairs and actually got a good shot. Where it came up to the stairs, it sensed that there was a staircase and it turned around and went the other way. It does boast 3D technology. It says it will dig a corner, and what it does, although it would be impossible for us to show that, it will go into a corner and blast or puff air in a corner to stir up if there's any sort of pet hair or dust or dirt or anything like that. It does also boast a 60-day volume capacity for the reservoir. So because this is a brand new product for us, it's a brand new style of review of doing a vacuum, we are not going to associate this and break it down on the scoring matrix that we normally do. If you're a fan of the show, you know that we do that in 6 categories, because I don't think we could really give you a fair assessment. But what I can promise you is Jamie's going to take this robot home. He's very excited about it. He's going to set it up, get it mapped to his house. He's going to use it for probably 6 months. Then we're going to come back. We'll probably do a little bit more of a review, tests, and Jamie probably will talk about what he loves and maybe what he doesn't love about this product. I don't love initially the price, but there's a lot of technology built into that machine. If you can see the front of it, and maybe you will through some of our B-roll, there's little lasers that are shooting out or whatever. It's pretty intuitive. It's pretty cool. We're definitely looking for feedback on what your thoughts are on us doing something outside of the air fryer, blender, those type of reviews. So please give us some feedback. We want to hear it. If you want to see something specific, leave a comment. We'd love to get back to you and do another review on whatever you suggest. So that's our video. We hope you loved it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.